Let's begin our review of our launch today. It is Tuesday, October 9th. This is our recording for today. Hello, those of you watching me in the evenings. I love you so much. I hope you're having a great night, a great day, wonderful life. Yes, silent celebration all around the room here. Yes, woo! Okay. How many do you see and how do you see them? Since you all talked to your partner, I feel confident that I can call on anyone and anyone will be able to give me a good answer. So I am going to draw some PAX sticks, and I am looking for my PAX leaders here to give me some good math thoughts. Here we go. Chloe.
I see 5 of them, and I saw 3 at first and then 2 more.
3 at first and then 2 more?
Yeah.
Okay. Izzy.
What I wrote, I see 5, and then I see them in 5 halves. I see 5 halves.
Okay. So this is what, Izzy?
That's a half. Then another half.
Say it with her, everyone.
Another half.
Do you all see how this is half of an orange?
Yes.
Okay. Here, what do I got here?
Half.
So I have these halves here. And so all of these combined
Equals 2.5. Oh, the blue has to combine.
equals what?
2.5.
Dominic says 2.5. What does that mean?
Because if you put 2 together, that equals 1/2.
If you listen to Dominic, he has awesome things to say. And if you'll listen to him, you will learn something here. He's saying go, you say it.
Put 2 together, that equals a whole.
So this half together, hi, I'm up here. Hello. This half together with this half equals what?
A whole.
1 whole.
And that one equals a whole. And the last one is a half.
So when I put these together, I have 2.5. Is that what you're saying? Do you agree with Dominic? Say it out loud.
Yes.
Okay. I heard a no. The reason why I have to go over this again, even though there's a no, is because this is what we're learning about. Does this orange look like a half?
Yes.
Answer me when I ask a question. Does this look like half an orange?
Yes.
Does this?
Yes.
Half?
Yes.
Half?
Yes.
Half.
Yes.
If I put 2 halves together, is that 1 whole?
Yes.
If I put 2 halves together, is that 1 whole?
Yes.
Do I have 1 half left?
Yes.
So then I have 1, 2, 2.5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you see how I got 2.5?
Yes.
Here's 1. Here's 1. 1. 1. 1. That's 2 oranges. And I have a half left. That's 2.5. How else could I do this? What else could I say? Tucker?
I got a different thing.
Okay. Tell me.
I said 60 because look inside there. I counted that and it makes 12. So 2 together makes 24. I did that again. That 24 2 times is
But these are, so then you're talking about twelfths.
yes.
So these are twelfths.
Mhm.
But it's not really twelfths because this is only half of the orange. So each one of these pieces is 1/24. Each one of these pieces is 1/24. So you're taking that down a little more challenging road than I'm wanting to travel right now. So can we talk about that on our own time sometime? We can talk about that later. Can I do this?
Yes. Yes.
Half plus half plus half plus half plus half.
Mhm.
How many halves do I then have?
2.5.
How many halves do I have?
2.5.
Trenton?
5.
5. 5?
5 halves.
Oh, 5 halves. How do I write that, Trenton?
5 as the numerator.
Thank you. Thank you. Great job explaining that when telling me how to write it. Thank you very much. 5 halves, because I have, these are all halves, right? And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. 5 halves. Yes? Yes. Okay. 5 halves. What are some of your favorite snacks? Bobby. Nutty Buddy. Your brother said milkshake. Gracie. Favorite snacks. Anything you want. Come on, make me hungry. What do you want?
Reese's.
We'll pick one quickly because we're moving on.
Doritos.
Doritos. Cole. Ice cream. What are some snacks that you might break into smaller pieces rather than eating them whole? So snacks you might break into smaller pieces. Jaden?
Cake.
Okay. So a cake, you're going to take a cake and you're going to cut it, right? Yeah. Brentley? A graham cracker. So a graham cracker would probably look something along these lines. Yes? What other type of snack do you break into pieces, Gabe?
Kit Kat.
Give me off a piece of that.
Kit Kat bar.
Yeah. What? One more. Remington. What kind of chocolate? What kind of chocolate bar? Well, we're talking about the kind that you break into smaller pieces. Isn't there a nice chocolate bar that does that? Hershey's has the little tiny squares. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, totally.
You take the Hershey's and they got these little squares like this. You break off a couple. You take your graham cracker. You break off a couple. You rush your marshmallow. And you got s'mores. Yeah.
Hey, what about the bar that you break? Well, it's not really like a chocolate bar, but it's kind of like one that you break into pieces. Toblerone.
What?
Toblerone. Yeah.
Toblerone. Never heard of such a thing.
Yeah.
Let's look at some food items that we might eat whole or might cut or break into some smaller pieces. Shall we?
Yes, we shall.
Woo!
Woo.
Here are some images of some crackers. Very nice, Mr. Heindel. You're the first person to say that all day. Here are some images of some crackers. I'm going to give you some time and space in your cactus notebook here to think about these 4 things. So, in your cactus notebook, you need to draw your classwork line. Give me the line for classwork because we're going to be using our notebook today. You need to draw it up here. Look, you're going to have this one space. You go right underneath the words. Right underneath your work. So, for letter A, how are the crackers in image A like those in image B? Okay? You're going to think about this on your own for a moment. How are they different? How many crackers are in each image? And write an expression. When I say, oh, really? When I say write an expression, what does that mean? What's an expression, Cole? A math problem. Very good explanation. So if I ask you to write an expression, is this an expression?
Yes.
2 times 3?
Yes.
Is that expression going to fit these images?
No.
Probably not. Give yourself, let's do 4 minutes. 1 minute per letter. So a minute for A, a minute for B, a minute for C. If you put A, B, and C on the side of your paper and you wanted to give me some answers to A, B, and C, that would be mighty fine with me. A, B, C, and D, sorry. be writing things down for A, B, and C. How are the crackers in image A alike, and how are they different? You have about 2 minutes left. Yeah, A, B, C, D, yeah. How are they alike? How are they different? How many crackers are in each image? And then write me an expression. Now, let's take 1 minute to talk to your shoulder partner about what you wrote, what you think. And if you don't have many thoughts because you struggled, listen to what your shoulder partner thought. See what, guys, share some information what you do have. Listen and learn. Listen and learn. Go.
And for
All right, now that you've talked to your table, I'm going to draw sticks, and I expect everybody to have something to share. Anna.
For A, I wrote they both are cut into fourths.
Okay.
B and A, they are cut into a rectangle. And B, it's a sideways.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Emma. Okay. Okay. So, how are the crackers in image A like those in image B? How are they the same? How are they the same, Izzy?
They're both cut into fourths.
So, we're working with some sort of four situation in both, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How are they different? Gracie.
Because on image A, they're folds. And on image B, Well, there's only one.
Huh?
Four.
Fourths. Good job. Good job. You got it. Good. So here we have holes. We have 4 holes here. And here we have fourths. Interesting. How many crackers are in each image? How many crackers do we have here? Annabelle?
4.
Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 here.
24.
24. That was fast. Did you count them that fast?
I had it written down.
Oh, you had an expression?
And I know that 12 times 2 equals 24 too, but
12 times 2. Brentley?
24.
24. Why 24?
Wait, 12 times 2?
Where's 12 times 2 come from? Hey, Jaden Dooley, Brentley needs your help.
Okay.
When you see this time signal, do you say times? What do you say?
Groups.
Groups what?
Groups of.
Groups of. Well, that's a strange little saying. Well, let me write it on here, I guess. Times. We're not going to say times. What are we going to say?
Groups.
Huh?
Groups.
Groups of. Groups of. Huh. Interesting. Brentley, Jaden says when we see a time symbol, we should say groups of. Do you have 12 groups of 2 here in the image? Is that what the image shows? 12 groups of 2?
Well, no.
No? What does it show?
6 groups of 4.
Thank you, my good sir. This image shows 6 groups of 4.
And then 6 times 4 equals 24.
6 groups of 4 is the same as 24 things. Because I've got these 6 groups, and I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm a fast counter. I'm a math teacher. It's what I do. I count. Count all my money. Just kidding. Just kidding. That's a joke. That's a joke. A one that you finally laughed at. Thank you.
I laughed at it.
Thank you. That was pretty funny. If this, shh. Do you understand that this expression is for this model here?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait. No, you wait. What's the expression going to be for here?
I don't know.
Oh, I got too many hands up. I ought to draw a stick. Oh, no. JC?
Her eyes are really big.
It's all right. She's brave. She can do it. Let's remember this piece here, JC. When we see this thing, we're going to say groups of. So we're trying to figure out groups. How many groups do we have, JC? Huh? 6 groups of. Oh, this is the hard part. Oh, this is the hard part. Over here, we had 6 groups of 4 because who said it that these were holes? Was it Annabelle?
I did.
Gracie did? She said these are whole things. She said those are whole things. So these are whole things. What does that mean about these? What's our expression? Oh, I have hands everywhere. I hope I call on someone and you say the right thing. No, groups of 1. That's a whole thing. 1. This is one whole thing. This is one whole thing. One whole thing, one whole thing equals 4 whole things. Do I have 6 groups of one whole thing?
Yes.
Oh, who wants to help Bobby? Who wants to help Bobby? Gabe?
It's 1/4. Because you can see there's a lining that shows there's one of the piece, but there's 4 missing. There's 3 missing.
3 missing. Yeah.
3 missing.
Gabe is saying that we have 6 groups. Yes? Do you see that there are 6 groups here?
Yes.
6 groups of, and in each group, we have what, everyone?
1/4.
1/4. So we have 6 groups of 1/4. How many fourths do I have, Logan?
6, and if you have 6 together, that will be 6/4.
Do you see what Logan is saying?
Yes.
You have 6 groups. Erase my drawing here. 6 groups. Do you see where I get the 6 groups?
Yes.
Yes. So it's this 1/4 we're struggling with. Is that right?
Yes.
Look at the picture. Here's the whole cracker. Here's the whole cracker. Just like over here. Over here, we have the whole cracker, right? Yes, so we have 1 whole cracker here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where we get our 4 from. Over here, do we have 1 whole cracker?
No.
We do not. We only have 1/4. And we talked about that earlier about how, that is 1/4. So we have 6 groups of 1/4. And when we count the fourths, we have, Logan, how many of them?
6.
6 of them. So let me try to challenge you for a second. If I have a 4th here, and I move this one here, and this one here, how many holes do I have, Emma? 1. And then how many of these do I have left? I'll move that one over there. Huh? 2 what? 2/4. So is 6/4 the same as 1 2/4? Whoopsie. 1 2/4? Yes, it is. We wrote our expressions. We talked about how they were alike with the 4 situation, right? We talked about how they are different. These are wholes. These are fourths. We talked about the amount of crackers in each image. There are 4. There are 24 crackers in this image, and there are 6/4 crackers in this image, or 1 2/4, which is also the same as 1 1/2. Move that brown piece over here. You get a half, right? And then we wrote 2 expressions. We got 1 here, and we got 1 here. Everybody give yourselves 2 big claps. Good job. Here are more images and descriptions of food items. For each, write a multiplication expression. Write a multiplication expression to represent the quantity. Here's what I want on your paper. I want the word Claire. Right under Claire, I want Diego. Write that on your paper right now, please. No, why don't you just go right up here? You got all that space. Claire and Diego. How about right here? Yeah, how's that? This is mostly for our online people, or those of you who lovingly go home tonight and watch my video. Claire and Diego. We're going to write an expression for Claire. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to talk to your table, to your shoulder partner. What expression can we write for Claire? She has 3 baskets. She puts 4 eggs into each basket. How many eggs did she put in baskets? Go. Write an expression with your shoulder partner.
She put 12. Yeah, she put 12 in baskets. You know the thing here you told me. Stop.
You know they can hear our conversation more.
Wait.
3 times 4.
Okay.
Class?
Yes.
What expression did you write? What'd you write, Cameron? We put here 3 times 4 equals 12. And Jaden, read that to me in a different way.
3 times 4 equals
Read it to me in a different way.
3 groups of 12 or equals 12.
3 groups of 4 equals 12. Look, I have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And I have 4 in each group. 4, 8, 12. Do you understand where we got that expression?
Yes.
Good. Let's do so next to Claire, we should have 3 times 4 equals 12. All right, Diego is next. 30 seconds of talk time with your table. Go. With your shoulder partner. Sorry.
Oh, I know this.
That's hard.
2. 2.5. I learned to third.
Class?
Yes.
What expression did you write? What expression did you write? Izzy?
I wrote 2 wholes and a half. Because if you put those 2 together and then there's a half.
I want an expression. What expression did you write, Annabelle?
Wait. I forgot.
Tucker?
1.5.
What's an expression? Cole, tell us again what an expression is. An expression is like a number sentence. Good job, Cole. Thank you. You guys are trying to give me the answer. I want an expression. Chloe, what's the expression you wrote for Diego?
3 times 2.
If I write 3 times 2, this says 3 groups of 2. Do we have 3 groups? How many groups do we have, Chloe? How many groups do we have here? Diego has 5 plates. This is a group, this is a group, this is a group, this is a group, this is a group. 5 groups of how many, Gracie?
No, 1/2.
We have 5 groups of 1/2. How many halves do we have all together?
5.
We have 5 halves all together. 5 groups. 1. Look up here for a second, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are in this group? 1/2. This is half a kiwi. How many are in this group?
1/2.
Another half. How many are in this group? Another half. And another half. How many total halves do we have? 5 halves. So we have 5 groups of 1/2. Could I also write it like this? I haven't said this yet in this class. I'm trying to make those say plus signs. I hope it looks like that.
Yeah.
1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 equals
5.
5/2. Yes, because isn't times and addition, don't they have a relationship with one another?
Yes.
We can do multiplication or repeated addition. Very good. All right, let's talk about Priya. Underneath Diego, I want you to write Priya. Priya.
P-R-I-Y-A.
Priya prepared 7 plates with 1/8 of a pie on each. How much pie did she put on the plates? How many groups does she have? Everyone say it with me. 7. 7 groups of. How much pie is in each group? Cole? 1/2. This is half a pie?
No.
Read the story. How much pie? 1/8. How many total 8s does she have? Jackson?
7.
She has 7. Do you want me to just write the number 7?
No.
No.
What do you want me to write?
7.
7 eighths. This is your expression for Priya because she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. And in each group, this is not one piece of pie. This is 1/8 of the whole pie. 1/8, one slice. And there are 8 total slices in the pie. 1/8 of the pie. One slice out of 8 total pieces. 1/8.
There's only 7/8.
And so it's 7/8. Yes. There's only 7/8 here. So how many pieces of pie are left in the pie pan back on the stove? Annabelle?
1.
One more piece would make the whole. Good job, guys. You guys are doing a great job. We're going to save this one for tomorrow's review slide. This concludes our math lesson today on using unit fractions in equal groups. Very nicely done, everyone. Great, great job. Super proud of you today. Let's go ahead and load up and sanitize. Well done.